Declared the winner of the Value Electronics Retailers Yearly Competition, the Sony A95k is the world's first QD-OLED TV alongside the Samsung S95b TV. It comes in 55 and 65 inch, the XR-55A95K and XR-65A95K versions respectively. Gaining recognition as one of the two best QD-OLED TVs available, here is the king of color, Sony A95k QD-OLED TV overview. The A95k, first TV of its kind to apply the QD-OLED display technology.
Wow.
It is different and stands out from the standard OLED because of its potential to produce higher contrast images, ideal black levels, and brighter picture levels and outperform other display technologies. Some solid features that make the Sony A95k a cutting-edge range from the Acoustic Surface Audio Plus system, 120Hz QD-OLED panel, Dolby Atmos, DTS, and Dolby Vision support. Add-ons like Chromecast, IMAX Enhanced, Bravia Cam Support Voice Control to HomeKit. Well, let's take an in-depth look at some of these features and how best they describe the Sony A95k. Stay with us for more. Design. For starters, the Sony A95k has a flat stand that spans the whole length of the TV and has two positionings, in the back or the front. The back panel of the A95k is slightly curved, extraordinarily thin, and much thinner than the regular non-OLED display. The front borders of the Sony A95k are also extremely thin, measuring 0.8 centimeters with its total thickness measuring 4.3 centimeters. There are 4 HDMI connections included on the Sony A95k, 2 of which support 4K 120Hz and customizable variable refresh rate (VRR). The newly revised remote is much more organized, simpler to use, and bears the same design as other Sony gadgets. The remote has a brushed silver metallic finish and includes black lighting capabilities and specific sensors that glow and light up the buttons when you pick up the remote. This way, when it is dark and you can't find the remote, the backlit glow will make it easy to find and you don't have to keep fumbling in the dark to find your remote.
Cute.
The A95k doesn't have the illuminated Sony logo on the TV. In actuality, the only light is a white LED that flashes when you press the remote's buttons and an amber light that indicates if the microphone is turned on and listening activated by Google Assistant. However, you can disable the lights in the settings menu. Picture quality. The Sony A95k uses the Cognitive Processor XR processor for image processing, which is found in most of Sony's top-tier and high-end TVs. The Cognitive Processor XR gives the screen improved object recognition and has the ability to cross-analyze distinct components, such as focal points, contrast, balance, brightness, color, motion, and clarity, and further enhance the picture and video quality. There are 4 options made available for the peak luminance settings provided by Sony: off, low, medium, and high. And transmission of low-quality material range from 480p, 720p to 1080p. The A95k also supports HDR protocols, HDR10 for 4K UHD playback, HLG, and Dolby Vision. Along with picture quality comes sound quality. The sound quality of the A95k also utilizes the Cognitive Processor XR for audio features as well, which comes up shortly. Stay with us. Learn more and get extra tech news and content from us by subscribing to our channel below. Never miss an update. Gaming. All my gamers out there, this one is for you. With the Sony A95k HDR gaming is excellent. All you need is your gaming console and compatible controller. The A95k offers many gaming features that make it perfect for console gaming, including a 120Hz display, gaming in 4K at 120 frames per second, VRR compatibility, and HDMI 2.1 bandwidth. While gaming, the A95k highlights color, makes them vibrant, and the deep displays of and around bright objects while playing the games on the TV. Motions appear fluid due to the input latency that is larger than most high-end TVs, and an excellent choice for gaming in dimly lit spaces. It is also fully compatible with the PS5 and Xbox Series X thanks to HDMI 2.1 bandwidth and VRR functionality. So, gamers, get your groove on with your favorite PS5 and Xbox Series X games like Deathloop, Demon's Souls, Destruction All-Stars, Forza Horizon 5, and Halo Infinite. In all, the Sony A95k is a fantastic gaming system.
Let's go!
Sound quality. Aside from being good at producing great picture quality, the new Cognitive Processor XR processor provides some intriguing audio features as well. The processor is part of the XR sound suite and works with the Acoustic Surface Audio Plus system to support XR sound position, which enhances immersion and creates a virtual 3D version of your living room. enabling the audio to precisely merge with what you are watching on the TV. In essence, this system uses actuators responsible for moving and controlling the systems at the back panel of the TV that causes the panel to vibrate and produce immersing sounds, giving you a better sense of realism since it will sound as though the audio is coming directly from the screen right in front of you. It has 20 watt plus 20 watt plus 10 watt plus 10 watt of power output, along with Dolby Audio, Dolby Atmos, and DTS digital surround sound. Additionally, the Sony A95k currently supports DTS that can be activated through Dolby Atmos and DTS-X signals through its ER connector. The Sony A95k is a next-level generational flagship we should definitely keep our eyes on. With great picture quality and different feature options available, the Sony A95k is built to last longer while providing you with the best TV, watching, streaming, and gaming experience. As said earlier, the Sony A95k is one of 2 of the first QD-OLED TVs currently available. Check out the other one, the Samsung S95b full review. Is it worth the hype? We would also love to get interactive with you. Let us know what your favorite feature is on the Sony A95k.